Hi YouTube, I'm back with another video again. Today, well, I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup tutorial because it's actually been quite long since I've done one of these. I thought I'd done one really recently, but then I checked. I think the last one I did was like 2 years ago, so this is what we're going to do. Quickly before I start, I just want to say like, as I've gotten older though, I've started to just, like when I'm running errands and stuff, I don't really wear makeup. I think it's just like, the older I get, the less I care in general about anything. So this everyday makeup is kind of like if I'm actively going to do something like, I don't know, going out for lunch or having a day out somewhere. Rather, it's not like club makeup, it's kind of somewhere in between. So this is the makeup I do when it's like kind of casual, but I'm made up. Does that make sense? Let's get into it. Okay, so I'm gonna start with some primer. Using my trusty Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. And I just put that under my eyes, on my nose, and all the bits that I'm going to be putting concealer on. Because I'm not going to wear foundation. This is a lighter look that I'm going for. My everyday concealer, Tarte Double Duty Beauty. Is it not just Shape Tape? Yeah, it is. Why does it say that on the back? And it's in shade 12S Fair. Just put it here, 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 a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here, and a little bit here. And just blend that all out with a beauty blender. Then I take my contour wand by Charlotte Tilbury in Fair Medium. Go here, 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 then up here. If I'm wearing my hair out my face, I do this, but I ignore the forehead if I've got my fringe down. And give that a little blend. Something I've noticed when I'm like contouring my forehead is no matter what product I use, no matter how I blend it always just looks a bit patchy. I'm not sure why though. Like, why does it look like this? Is it because my hair, like I got my roots done? Maybe it's just because I've got like no dark hairline that it just kind of goes all funny. Sticks to the white hair. Oh yeah, I got my hair redone, look. These are, the little streaks in my hair are just like not clip-in, like weaved in extensions, like little strips. So I can take them out whenever I want. You know, low commitment hair colour. I do want to dye my hair again though. I know I said that ages ago and I still haven't done it, but I'm a little bit indecisive. Because if I'm going to dye my hair, I want to start light, then slowly progress into like darker, more bright colours so I can kind of get the most out of this very light hair that I have, you know. Okay, so this is so old. This is my Milk Makeup blush stick. It's in the shade Work, but it's got no writing on it left. And I've had this for, I want to say 3 years, probably completely out of date, but I still use it. Smells out of date. But you know, it works. What can I do? I mean, the product just lasts for ages. So I'll put this here and here. Take a little bit of my finger and just... I always do it here. It makes it look like you've kind of been sun-kissed. You just blend that out. Then I'm going to quickly add some fake freckles. So I'm going to take a bobby pin, or a Kirby, as I like to call them. But I feel like Americans don't know what a Kirby is. You call it bobby pins. And I take my Morphe 2 Hint Skin Tint in Soy Tiente. And I just take the tip, the little ball part. You've seen me do this a million times if you're subscribed to me, but do that. And boom, 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 boom. You get a nice natural freckle. Like so. God, it's lunchtime. I'm so hungry. You know when your blood sugar like dips and you start to get a bit shaky? Okay, I'll leave it at that for now. Take my old trusty She Glam Insta Ready face and under eye setting duo and translucent. I'm taking the loose powder and I'm just gonna mattify the face. Then I'm gonna take my Cool and Light Charisma Contour Palette by Kaleidos. This is actually discontinued though, I keep forgetting, and I'll use it quite literally every single day, and I'm gonna cry because, as you can see, the shade that I use is about to go. I might actually, since I bought that white liner pencil the other day, if you watched my last video, just gonna put a little bit of white on. Like that. So we're taking the Milk Makeup Kush Fibre Brow Gel and Grind. This is very much running out. I need to get a new one. I used to be on Milk Makeup's PR list, but I think they took me off, so. Yeah, that's the end of the story. Yeah, I'm taking the NYX Professional Makeup Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen in Ash Brown. And what I'm going to do, I've been perfecting this lately. I wonder if it'll work now. Just doing light hair so it looks like real eyebrows. Usually I do it quite harsh, but we'll see. I'm taking a big deep breath. This is stressful. I hate doing my eyebrows. Arguably the worst part of a makeup routine that I have to do is my eyebrows. I hate doing them. As you can see from like a distance, it's kind of softer and kind of looks like, it looks kind of more natural, like they could be my real brows, but not really. I'm just gonna, yeah, I'll zoom you out a bit. Just gonna add some fake freckles. With the same brow pen, by the way. So I kind of do like a simple wing, nothing crazy. I'm taking the Revolution eyeliner, with no other information. It looks like this. You'll find it. I'm going to leave it like that now, don't panic. I'm going to go back in with some black eyeshadow when it all dries. Okay, so I'm going to go in with some black eyeshadow. I'm just using my Charlotte Tilbury palette. I'm going to take some white liner and go under into the waterline. Oh, by the way, this is the Kohl eyeliner by Revolution Makeup in white. I'm going to take it here, like that, and go below the wing, like that. Kind of join that up a little bit as much as you can. So I am gonna take a flat brush, my Charlotte Tilbury palette. This is the Instant Eye palette, Smoky Eyes Are Forever, and I'm taking the dark brown. And I'm just gonna go under my eye. And then along here. So shadow in the winged eyeliner. And then down here. Like so. I need to stop doing an English accent. I always have to edit out me doing an English accent because I make myself cringe, but it's involuntary. I don't know why I do it. I'm just gonna lightly go under here. Yeah. I'm going back in with my eyebrow pen. I'm just gonna do an inner corner here. It's quite light, as you can see, but I'm just gonna take that same flat brush and add a little bit of black to it. I just don't like to go in straight with black liner because it can look a bit harsh. Okay, that looks kind of horrible, so I'm just gonna go back in with the white liner and try and clean that up a tad. That'll do. You get the idea. Now I'm just gonna glue some lashes. I don't know what lashes they are, but I've basically just took some generic eyelashes and cut about three little clumps, if you know what I mean. 3 clumps off a normal set. So they're kind of half lashes. So I'm just gonna take the Colourpop Level Up Lengthening Mascara. I also use the Charlotte Tilbury Push Up Lashes. The only reason I usually use this one is literally because it's easier to take off. This one's harder to take off because I think it's like more waterproof. Just apply the mascara. I'll just apply these lashes now. Screw it, I'll never wait for them to get tacky, you know? I'm going to take my Lime Crime Velveteen Lip Liner and Toe Paste. And I'm just going to kind of overline. My lashes are sitting a bit funky like. And I'll take any kind of red lipstick. So this one's just a Dollar Stories lipstick and Cherry Ideal. And I just do that. Blend it in. Then I take a fairly neutral highlighter. I'm going to take my Moonlighter highlighter in Squid, and it's just this kind of whitey one. And I'm going to tip in my nose. Bridge off my nose too. I'm going to go up here. Under the brow. And then on my finger, on the highs of my cheeks. Yeah, this is I'd say this is the finished look. Obviously, every day it differs. I'll maybe not do the bit under my eye, maybe just do a simple liner. It really depends, but I feel like this is kind of the one I go to the most. You know, it's kind of, this eyelash is like very discreetly hanging off. Also, I just want to say the last thing. I just want to thank my YouTube commenters, because they're actually like the loveliest people in the world. Like, my like TikTok commenters, most of them are nice, to be fair, but then you get like horrible ones. I very rarely get a hate comment on YouTube. Everyone just writes me like a paragraph, and they're so sweet and so nice and like the purest people ever. And I just want to thank you if you comment on my videos, because that is actually very sweet and you make my day every time. I'm not joking. If I feel sad, I just read my own YouTube comments and then I feel better again, because everyone's literally lovely. Okay. Okay, I will see you soon. Goodbye.